When people imagine wildlife in the Middle East, they often think of vast deserts, extreme heat, and very little life. But beneath the sand, among the rocks, and under the cover of night, some of the most fascinating and resilient land animals on Earth are quietly surviving. Today, we will explore 4 lesser-known Middle Eastern animals that have evolved extraordinary ways to live in harsh environments. The sand fox, also known as Rüppell's fox, Blanford's fox, the cliff-dwelling acrobat, the Afghan pika, a tiny mountain survivor, and the misunderstood Arabian striped hyena. Each of these animals tells a story of adaptation, survival, and ecological balance. The sand fox, or Rüppell's fox, is one of the most perfectly adapted mammals for desert life. It lives in some of the hottest and driest regions of the Middle East, including sandy deserts and semi-arid plains. What makes this fox extraordinary is how subtle and efficient its survival strategies are. Its large ears are not just for hearing, they act as heat radiators, releasing excess body heat. Its pale, sandy fur reflects sunlight and provides camouflage against predators and prey alike. Unlike many animals, the sand fox rarely drinks water. Instead, it gets moisture from insects, rodents, and small reptiles. It is also strictly nocturnal, emerging only after sunset to avoid extreme heat. Despite living in open deserts, this fox is rarely seen. It moves quietly, leaves little trace, and often disappears before humans ever notice it was there, earning it the nickname, the desert ghost. If the sand fox is a ghost of the dunes, Blanford's fox is the acrobat of rocky mountains. This fox prefers steep cliffs, rocky hillsides, and desert mountains across parts of the Middle East. Its body is small, lightweight, and agile, perfect for climbing and leaping between rocks. Unlike most foxes, Blanford's fox eats a high proportion of fruit, along with insects and small animals. This makes it an important seed disperser, quietly helping desert plants spread and survive. One of its most unusual traits is its short snout and wide tail, which help with balance when navigating narrow ledges. At night, it can leap astonishing distances with precision, avoiding predators and accessing food sources unreachable to others. This fox shows us that deserts are not empty. They are vertically complex ecosystems, with life thriving even on cliffs. The Afghan pika is small, round, and easily overlooked, yet it survives in cold, rocky highlands where temperatures can change drastically. Pikas resemble small rabbits but lack visible tails. They live among rocks and crevices, using these spaces for shelter from predators and extreme weather. What makes the Afghan pika unusual is that it does not hibernate. Instead, it collects and stores vegetation during warmer months, creating hidden food caches. Unlike many mammals, pikas are highly sensitive to temperature changes. Even small increases in heat can threaten their survival, making them an important indicator species for climate change in the region. They are rarely seen, move quickly, and communicate with high-pitched calls that echo through the rocks, a reminder that even the quietest animals have complex social lives. Few animals are as misunderstood as the Arabian striped hyena. Often feared or associated with myths, this hyena is not a monster, it is a vital ecological caretaker. Unlike spotted hyenas, the striped hyena is mostly solitary and shy. It feeds primarily on carrion, cleaning up dead animals that could otherwise spread disease. Its powerful jaws can crush bones that other scavengers cannot digest, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. In this way, the hyena acts as nature's sanitation worker. Arabian striped hyenas are mostly nocturnal and avoid humans whenever possible. Unfortunately, superstition and habitat loss have caused their numbers to decline. Protecting this animal means protecting ecosystem health, public sanitation, and biodiversity. These 4 animals, the sand fox, Blanford's fox, Afghan pika, and Arabian striped hyena, show us that survival in the Middle East requires precision, resilience, and balance. They remind us that deserts are full of life, Small animals can play big ecological roles, and misunderstood species are often the most important ones. By learning about them, we take the first step toward respect, conservation, and coexistence.